How to disable copy, forward and save in Telegram group. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Telegram and then go to the group. After that, if you want to disable the group message, what you will have to do is tap on this three dot and then select mute. And then select mute forever. Or you can also select mute and then go to disable sound. The next option or the next feature is to copy. In order to do so, simply tap and hold the message that you want to copy and you will see this icon over here which is for copying. So next is forward. In order to forward, simply tap and hold the message and then you will see an option forward right here. So if you have any media sent, in order to save it, simply click on it and then you will also get an option to save it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.